Hari ini 1 Juni 2020. Aku dan kamu telah menjadi kita. Memulai babak baru dalam perjalanan rasa. Dasar bersama hingga pada akhirnya bermuara pada persetujuan Tuhan. Serta anggukan semesta hingga kita bisa mengucap janji suci. Setelah hari ini, tak ada lagi beban yang dipikul seorang diri. Tangis pun akan diusap bersama, dan tak ada lagi tawa yang akan dinikmati sendiri. Aku membersamaimu, engkau membersamaiku. Melewati terbit dan tenggelamnya matahari berdua tanpa celah. Menaklukkan dunia hingga kita tua. Semakin tua dan terus menua. Sampai kita melebur kembali bersama semesta.
Time goes by and I've been holding everything inside. But now I've got nothing left to hide. While I'm with you, oh you.
Born on the wrong side of the ocean, with all the tides against you. You never thought you'd be much good for anyone, but that's so far from the truth. I know there's pain in your heart, and you're covered in scars. I wish you could see what I do, 'cause baby, everything you are is everything I need.
Forever seems like a long time, but nothing seems like a long time when I'm with you. I feel like I'm walking on water since the day that I asked your father to let go of his daughter. So give me your blessing, sir, I'll give her all that I've got. It doesn't look like much, but it sure feels like a lot. Let her take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand again and again. Right where we stand. Here the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go. This is the start